Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off active status on Facebook. Firstly, to get started, you need to open the Facebook app on your device. And next is you need to tap the menu icon in the top left. And from here what you need to do is you need to scroll a bit down until you find the settings and privacy. Select that and you need to go to the setting again. And from the setting, you need to scroll a bit down until you find this audience and visibility. And over here, what you need to do is you need to follow this. You need to select this active status. And here you need to simply deselect that in the top right. Simply toggle off and select toggle turn off again. And that is it. That's how you can turn off active status on Facebook. Once disabled, you'll have more privacy while using the app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.